In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily purchase cryptocurrency using a credit card on MetaMask right from the comfort of your web browser. So let's dive in and explore how this simple process works. We'll start by opening up MetaMask. Head over to your browser and click the MetaMask extension icon. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your password to unlock your wallet. If you're new to this, MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows you to manage your crypto assets and interact with decentralized applications, all from your web browser. Now that we're in, take a look at the main wallet screen. You'll notice a buy button positioned prominently at the top. Go ahead and click on that. This step is quite crucial as it directs us to the next phase, where we choose a provider for our purchase. In the new interface, you're going to see several options for buying cryptocurrency using a credit card. These providers include Transact, MoonPay, Banksa, and Mercurio. Each of these services offers a straightforward way to purchase crypto, but for today, you should select one that aligns best with your needs and supports credit card payments. Next, a new window will appear. Here, you'll need to make a few selections. Choose the type of cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing, be it ETH, USDT, Matic, or another option. It's important to also specify the network, like Ethereum, BSC, or Polygon, among others. Adjust the amount you want to buy, ensuring it fits your budget and needs. Make sure your selected network matches the network your MetaMask wallet is currently using to avoid any issues later. Moving forward, we'll ensure that the correct wallet address is in place. Your MetaMask address should be automatically filled in for you. However, if it's not, you can easily retrieve it by copying from your MetaMask account and pasting it into the required field on the provider form. Some providers might require you to complete a Know Your Customer or KYC process for identity verification. If prompted, follow the instructions carefully to provide any necessary documents or information. With everything set, it's time to confirm the payment. Enter your credit card details and be sure to carefully review all associated fees to avoid any surprises later. Once everything is accurate, click Buy or Confirm to proceed with the purchase. After your payment is approved, the cryptocurrency will be sent directly to your MetaMask wallet. You'll receive a confirmation, and you can refresh your MetaMask wallet to see your new balance. It may take a few moments, so be patient. And there you have it. That's how you top up your MetaMask with a credit card, all within your browser. Try it now and enjoy seamless crypto purchases.